ARIMA models, plot_diagnostics, what's meaning of residuals of our model? I am studying the ARIMA models with the following tutorial, this URL fitting an ARIMA time series model. After I fit the model with step 5, fitting an ARIMA time series model with following code. And plot. I don't know the meaning. The residuals of our model are uncorrelated and normally distributed with zero mean. I want to know what's the residual in the model. Is the meaning that the residual is the difference between true value and predict value? Why the author said the enforce_stationarity is false since the ARIMA mode need data stationarity. What's meaning of enforce_stationarity and enforce_invertibility? If possible, could you explain in detail? Thanks.
Residual indeed is the difference between true and predicted value. If there are correlations between residuals, there is information left in the residuals which should be used in computing forecasts. If the residuals have a mean other than 0, then the forecasts are biased. For instance, if we have a constantly growing residual like -0.3, -0.2, 0.1, 0, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, and so on, the mean will be 0, it means that our model does not fully depict the process. Parameters? If you look at the package documentation you will see that these parameters are used to enforce stationarity or invertibility. If the data is stationary and the R parameters are chosen correctly, since you should have done some previous data preprocessing, why should we do it again? Same stands for invertibility.
이게 어떤 뜻을 몰라. 나서 정신을 속삭이니.